Good morning, students. This is Chalma Reddy sir, mathematics. Now today I am going to discuss that 4th September 2020 mains second shift question with solutions. Now already I discussed 10 questions. Already I posted 2 videos. Now this is a third part. See the 11th question what they are given. This circle related problem. Center of a circle is passing through the intersection points of circles lie on the line. Two circles are there. One is S, another one is S dash. Now, S plus lambda S dash is equal to 0. The circle is passing through point of intersection of the remaining two circles, and center of the required circle lies on the line 2x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. S means first circle, that is x square plus y square minus 6x plus lambda into second circle x square plus y square minus 4y, that is equal to 0. Now observe here x square terms. Take x square common, we get 1 plus lambda into x square. Next, y square terms same like that, 1 plus lambda into y square. Next, minus 6x minus 4 lambda into y, that is equal to 0. Now divide with 1 plus lambda, we get like this, x square plus y square minus 6x divided by 1 plus lambda minus 4 lambda divided by 1 plus lambda y, that is equal to 0. What is center of the circle here? 3 by 1 plus lambda. Second one, 2 by 1 plus lambda. This center is lies on the line 2x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. In place of x and y, substitute that. We get 6 by 1 plus lambda minus 6 by, now here we get one more lambda, 6 lambda divided by 1 plus lambda plus 12 is equal to 0. Now take the LCM, 6 minus 6 lambda plus 12 plus 12 lambda, and denominator sent to right hand side. Now 6 lambda is equal to what we are getting? Minus 18. Then what is the lambda value? Lambda value is minus 3. So this lambda value substitute in center. So center C is equal to lambda value minus 3. One see this. This is minus 3. Substitute here. We get 3 by minus 2, comma 2 lambda divided by 1 plus lambda. That means minus 6 divided by minus 2. So overall answer is minus 3 by 2 comma 3. Now once see the question, what we need to find? Center of a circle S. Center of a circle S. Finally, answer is minus 3 by 2 comma 3. This is a regular question in IP, but in mains given, it will take a time. Next, see the next question. Two persons, A and B, play a game of throwing a pair of dice until one of them wins. A will win if sum of numbers on dice appear to be 6, and B will win sum is 7. Okay, now when A will be win, the sum of the points is 6. Now 6 means how how many number of points we get? 1 comma 6, 2 comma, no, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 5. So now, some 6 now, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3, next 3 comma 2, 2 comma 3 also, no, 2 comma 4 correct, sorry, 2 comma 4 and 3 comma 3, next 4 comma 2 and 5 comma 1. How many possible here? The probability of A is total 5 possible, 5 by 36. Next, what is B? Sum of the points is 7. Now 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 3, next 5 comma 2, next 6 comma 1. Total how many are there? See, P of B is equal to 6 by 36, that is equal to 1 by 6. And once verify that, sum of 0.6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. Correct. Now here we need to find what is the probability that A wins the game and A starts the game. So here A and B start the game alternatively. Who will start the game? A. If A start the game, here two chances. If he win, close the game. If he lose, when you will get chance? First A failure, A fail, then B will get the chance. He will also fail, then A will get the chance. A means success. A complement means failure. B means success. B complement means failure. Okay. If in third case also A failed, that means A complement, B complement, A complement, B complement, then you will get chance, fifth chance, and so on. The game is going on like that. Okay. So A means you have to think P success. A complement means failure. B complement also failure only. Okay. Now A probability of A wins. A wins the game. When he will win? So A is the success. P plus complement means failure. Q, Q, P. Q, 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 P. And so on. Now here take the P common, remaining 1 plus Q square plus Q power 4 and so on up to infinity. This is the infinite GP series. What is the formula? A by 1 minus R. We get P by 1 minus Q square. Okay, 1 minus Q square. A winning chance, that is P, 5 by 6. A losing chance, 1 minus 5 by 36. 1 minus 5 by 36. How much we get? Now substitute here. P is 5 by 36 divided by 1 minus. Q means A loss, that is 31 by 36 whole square. Okay. Now 5 by 36 divided by, see the calculation. What we get? Actually here A probability and B probability also given. So we can follow another method because P of A complement P of B, P of B complement. There are two different values. That's why. Now, see this. First one is P of A plus second one P of A complement P of B complement into P of A plus P of A complement P of B complement P of A complement P of B complement P of A and so on and so on. Take that P of A common and observe the remaining, that is sum of infinite GP series. So the formula is 1 by 1 minus R. The common ratio is P of A complement into P of B complement. Okay. Now what is P of A? 5 by 36 into 1 by 1 minus P of A complement 31 by 36. P of B complement. P of B is 6 by 36. B complement means we get 30 by 36. Now calculate this. After calculation, we get the answer 30 by 61. This is the final answer. Here observe that probability of A and probability of B both given. So that's why we are following this method. Okay. Next, I am going to another question. See this question, what they are given. If equation of directrix of an ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is x is equal to 4. What is equation of directrix? X is equal to a by e. So a by e value is 4. And here given eccentricity is 1 by 2. So by using this calculation, we get a value is 2. Next, after that, the normal to the ellipse at point 1 comma beta passes through the point. That is they are asking. Before going to that, here we need to find b square value, b value. B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Here observe that a value is 2, a square means 4 into 1 minus 1 by 4. Overall here we get 3. 1 minus 1 by 4 means 3 by 4, 4 cancel. So finally we get b square value is 3, a value is 2. So what is the equation of ellipse? X square by 4 plus y square by 3, that is equal to 1. Now we need to find normal to the ellipse here. What is the equation of normal to the ellipse? Tell me formula. That is equation of normal to the ellipse. So formula is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1, that is equal to a square minus b square. And here x1 y1 is 1 comma beta. This is a lies on the ellipse. So lies on the ellipse means substitute here. Here we get 1 by 4 plus beta square by 3, that is equal to 1. Now finally here, what we get beta square value? By observing the calculation, we get b square value is 9 by 4. Beta square value is 9 by 4. Then beta value is 3 by 2. Here beta is greater than 0 given. Now same point substitute here. A square x divided by x1 minus b square y y1, that is beta, that is equal to a square minus b square. What is a square and b square value? Already we know that. Just to substitute, a square value is 4x minus b square value is 3y divided by beta, that is 3 by 2, is equal to a square minus b square, that is 4 minus 3. Finally, we get 4x minus 2y, that is equal to 1. This is equation of normal. It is passing through point given. So here there is no options. So once again I will write. Now here options are there. The equation of normal passing through the point. So I am going to verify that 1 comma 3 by 2. See here 4 minus 2 into 3 by 2, that is 3, that is equal to 1. So it is satisfied. Now finally the equation of normal is passing through the point. That is first option is correct. Next I will go for another problem. This is quadratic equation related. Alpha beta are roots of the equation and alpha gamma are roots of the equation. Here alpha is common root of both the equations. Substitute alpha square minus alpha plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Substitute in second equation 3 alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 27 lambda is equal to 0. Now this equation multiply with 3, we get 3 alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 6 lambda is equal to 0. Now both the equations can be subtract, minus plus minus. This is going to cancel. Minus 10 alpha plus 3 alpha minus 7 alpha plus 21 lambda is equal to 0. Overall we get here alpha is equal to 7 lambda. Here we got one condition. Same alpha value substitute in equation 1 or substitute lambda value. What is lambda here? Lambda is equal to alpha by 7 or substitute alpha value enough. In place of alpha substitute 7 lambda. What we get? 49 lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 2 lambda, that is equal to 0. Now see that what are the factors? Here see the small correction. Now here 7 3s are 21. So alpha is equal to 3 lambda, not 7 lambda. Now substitute in first equation, we get 9 lambda square minus 3 lambda. Now we are substituting alpha value, no? Right, correct. Plus 2 lambda, that is equal to 0. Minus 3 lambda plus 2 lambda minus lambda. Take lambda common, we get 9 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Finally, lambda value 0 comma 1 by 9. These are the lambda value. Cannot be 0. Lambda value should be 1 by 9. So, and we know that alpha is equal to 3 lambda. In place of lambda, substitute 1 by 9. We get alpha value. That is, alpha value is 1 by 3. Alpha value is 1 by 3. Now we need to find gamma value. How to find gamma value? Observe the second equation, sum of the roots. in second equation, sum of the roots or product of the roots, alpha into gamma is equal to 27 lambda. So here alpha value is 1 by 3 and this is gamma is equal to 27 into, what is lambda? 1 by 9. 9 3s are 27. Finally, gamma value is 9. Lambda value is 1 by 9. Alpha value is 1 by 3. Then what is beta? Beta we ain't got. There also take product of the roots. Alpha beta is equal to 2 lambda. What is alpha? 1 by 3 into beta is equal to 2 into lambda value is 1 by 9. So 3 3s are 9. Now finally, beta value is 2 by 3. Beta value is 2 by 3. Alpha value is 1 by 3. Lambda value, gamma value we got. So what we need to find? Beta gamma by lambda. Beta is 2 by 3. Gamma is 9. Then what is lambda value? 1 by 9. So 3 3s are totally how much? Here see that some calculation mistake. What is product of the roots? Product of the roots in second equation. 27 lambda divided by 3. 3 we are not written. So 1 by 3 gamma, that is equal to 27 by 3 into lambda value is 1 by 9. Finally, we get gamma value is 3. Now substitute here 2 by 3 into 3, lambda value is 1 by 9. So overall answer is 18. So this is also little bit lengthy question, but easy only. Go to the next question. See the question. PQ is a diameter of a circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. If perpendicular distance of P and Q from line x plus y is equal to 2 are alpha and beta. Now, then the maximum value of alpha beta is, see that what they are given equation, x square plus y square is equal to 4. Now take the parametric equations. What we get? R cos theta, R value is 2. 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta. This is 1 point. Actually, plus r minus r cos theta plus r minus r sin theta we are taking now. Then Q is minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta. So by using the circle, so we got parametric equations, P and Q point. Now what is alpha? Alpha is equal to perpendicular distance from point P to the line. Apply the perpendicular distance. Here we get 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta minus 2 divided by under root 1 plus 1. Similarly, go for beta. Beta is perpendicular distance from point Q to line. So we get minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta minus 2 divided by root 1 plus 1. Here they are asking maximum value of alpha beta. So right here alpha beta. What happened? So numerator 2 common, remaining is cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 divided by root 2 into, observe that beta also take 2 common and minus also modulus is there now, it's going to positive. Cos theta plus sin theta plus 2 divided by root 2. root 2, root 2, 2. 2 is going to cancel. Remaining 2 into, this is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. Here is 1. So what we get? A square minus b square. That is cos theta plus sine theta whole square minus 1. Now expand this cos theta plus sine theta whole square. We get 1 plus 2 sine theta. 2 sine theta cos theta. That means sine 2 theta. So this is 2 into 1 plus 2 sine theta. Directly I am writing sine 2 theta minus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled. We get 2 into sine 2 theta. What is the range of sine 2 theta? Minus 1 to 1. Okay. But we need 2 sine 2 theta. So multiply on both sides 2. We get 2 sine 2 theta less than or equal to 2. They are asking maximum value. What is the maximum value here? Maximum value, that is 2. What is the minimum value? Minus 2. Range minus 2 to plus 2. So answer is plus 2. So this is also easy question only. Students, all of you understood now? Please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Okay. Thank you.